Welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out one of the most exciting modern cruisers from Royal Enfield, the bold and stylish Royal Enfield Shotgun 650. This machine blends classic cruiser attitude with modern engineering, giving riders a factory custom look straight from the showroom. At first glance, the Shotgun 650 stands out with its low-slung stance and muscular proportions. The chopped rear fender, floating single seat, and sculpted fuel tank give it a true bobber-inspired identity. It looks aggressive yet minimal, a perfect combination for riders who want something unique on the road. Under the tank sits the trusted 648cc parallel twin engine, the same proven platform that powers Royal Enfield's popular 650 lineup. This engine delivers smooth power, strong mid-range torque, and a refined riding experience. The throttle response is predictable and enjoyable, making it suitable for both city cruising and relaxed highway rides. One of the biggest strengths of the Shotgun 650 is its balanced performance. It's not built for extreme top speeds, instead, it focuses on comfortable torque-rich cruising. The twin-cylinder motor produces a deep and satisfying exhaust note that adds character to every ride. In terms of handling, the Shotgun 650 feels stable and confident. The upgraded suspension setup, including upside-down front forks and twin rear shocks, improves road feedback and ride comfort. Whether you're riding through urban streets or open highways, the bike maintains composure and control. Braking performance is handled by disc brakes with dual-channel ABS, offering safe and reliable stopping power. The wide tires enhance grip and give the bike a strong planted feel, especially during cornering. The riding position is relaxed but slightly forward-leaning, giving it a sporty cruiser vibe. The mid-set foot pegs provide better balance compared to traditional forward controls, making longer rides more comfortable. The seat height is accessible for most riders, which adds to its practicality. Visually, the Shotgun 650 shines with premium finishes and bold color options. The blacked-out engine components, minimalist body panels, and modern LED lighting create a perfect blend of classic and contemporary styling. The digital analog instrument cluster keeps things simple yet functional. What makes this bike truly special is its factory custom appeal. It feels like a motorcycle that has already been modified by a professional builder, but with the reliability and warranty of a production model. The Royal Enfield Shotgun 650 is ideal for riders who want classic charm, modern reliability, and strong road presence without stepping into high-performance superbike territory. If you're looking for a stylish twin-cylinder cruiser with personality and everyday usability, the Shotgun 650 deserves serious consideration.